Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you why we say inshallah and what happens when we say inshallah. So let's discover. When we are talking about our future plans, we must say inshallah. Then we can easily meet our targets. When we promise somebody for something, we must really say inshallah. Then Allah will help us and we can fulfill our promises. Once upon a time, some people came to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and they asked some questions. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Come tomorrow, I'll tell you the answers." Prophet Muhammad ﷺ forgot to say inshallah. Then Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was waiting for Jibreel alayhi salam. Jibreel alayhi salam is an angel. Jibreel alayhi salam gets some messages from Allah. And then Jibreel alayhi salam gets the messages and then he goes to the prophets to give the messages. So that's why Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was waiting for a message from Jibreel alayhi salam. But Allah didn't send him a message for 6 months. This period was quite painful to Prophet Muhammad ﷺ because the Kuffar Makkah started to talk that Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was not a prophet. So after 6 months, Jibreel alayhi salam came with a message for Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. And Jibreel alayhi salam told Prophet Muhammad ﷺ that Prophet Muhammad ﷺ had forgotten to say inshallah. That's why Jibreel didn't come with a message for 6 months. So that's why we have to say inshallah for the work we really want to do. So please keep saying inshallah so Allah will help us to meet our targets. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Inshallah, tomorrow I'll come up with a new video. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.